Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the exact data and destination. Open both files now and name the Excel table if needed. Once done, select a clear header row in Excel so Word can map fields reliably. This reduces mapping errors. Make sure both files are saved in accessible folders because Word needs the path to link live data. You will choose between linking, embedding, or mail merge. Decide based on whether you need live updates, smaller size, or mass personalized documents. Now you execute the core method. If you need live updates, use Insert Object and link the Excel file. Word will reflect changes when reopened. If you want a fixed snapshot, embed the worksheet. It increases file size but keeps content predictable. For personalized documents, choose mailings, select your Excel sheet as the recipient list, then map fields precisely to merge fields. While mapping, verify sample records to ensure names, dates, and numbers align correctly with formatting. Finish by updating links and running a quick quality pass. Right-click any linked object and choose Update Link and preview merged records in mailings. Save a final copy and export to PDF if you need a fixed, shareable file. If something goes wrong, inspect the Excel headers and table name first. Word depends on them to map fields. Also confirm the file path hasn't changed. If links break, re-establish the connection or reselect the table, and then refresh to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.